Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. If you're new, I'm Joanna. I'm going to be showing you how to make these beautiful clay pumpkin stems that you can add to any pumpkins. Some of you have asked how you can help my channel. If you could give my videos a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe to my channel, you can ring that bell if you want to be notified when I upload a video. And if you want to, you can share the videos to anyone you think would be inspired. This helps me in the YouTube algorithm and helps my channel to grow. Thank you for your support. Now let's get to crafting. This is polymer clay. I either got it from Hobby Lobby or Michael's, and I'm trying to open it. This is not air dry clay. This is baking. You bake this. So I am trying to be careful when opening because I want to preserve the baking instructions, almost said ingredients, on the back so that I know, pretty much what I'm doing, which I don't listen to it anyway, and I'll explain that when I show you the baking part. But anyways, got it open, and I'm just going to take one run off. And you have to work this to make it pliable. So that's what I'm doing. And I have music going, so y'all know me. Anyways, once I get it pliable, I'm going to roll it in a ball. And then while I'm rolling, just make it a little bit oblong. You'll see what I'm doing more, and it will help you more than me trying to tell you what I'm doing. This you don't have to do right away. I did. I think I always do, but I end up smashing it. This didn't work. So I took this tool and I just put dots in it and pinch it over, because a pumpkin stem has grooves in it and knots and, it's twisted and whatever. So what we're doing is we're forming our edges. And by me just pinching some out once I got the grooves in is the easiest way that I know to do this. Then I put it back down, and then I'm forming my base now. And then I am going to pinch the top off because they're usually broken, and then put holes in it because they have holes in them. And then this next step, I twisted it a little bit, and I'm going to put holes in the bottom, just random poke holes in it. And that is to hold glue. When I glue it to something, it helps for, adhesion or whatever. So now I'm going to take another side, and I'm going to make it pliable. This is another way to do them. Either way you want to do them is fine. They don't look much different, but this way is a little easier. And I'm just going to roll it out in a line. And then I'm going to cut sections off. I'm just cutting it in sections. And then I'm going to put these sections together and form a circle. And then I'm going to make my base. These are so much easier this way is. And then I'm just going to twist. I'm pinching my bottoms, and then I'm going to twist it a little bit to make it look, more like a pumpkin stem and not just clay sticking up there. And there you go. And then of course I'm gonna pinch it off, put my holes, and then put my holes in the bottom. Now I'm just going to take little pieces and then the scrap piece that I had up here, and I'm going to make a a few minis to go on my little mini pumpkins that I had made in a previous video. So I'm just forming it with my hand and then making my bottom. And then I'm going to take this pink tool and I'm just going to press into it to make, you know, indentions and ridges, twist it around, and then press more at the bottom. And I'm going to take my fingers and I'm carefully pinching little pinches off to make the you know, points at the bottom of the stem, and then I'll poke my holes in the bottom and the top, and then that will be my mini pumpkins stems. Pumpkin stems, not pumpkins, pumpkin stems. Sorry. So I'm just going to go ahead and make a few of these, and I'm going to do these the other way, and you'll see what I'm doing in the video. You can see the baking instructions on the back, and I bake them at 275 for 35 minutes on a baking sheet. And now they're cool. You do have to wait till they cool. They're still kind of rubbery. But I'm taking Burnt Umber by Apple Barrel. It's just matte. I always use matte acrylics. I never use I try not to use the satin or I definitely don't use the gloss. But anyways, that's what that is. And I'm just going to paint them all in the Burnt Umber. And then I am using the Folk Art chalk paint. I get this at Hobby Lobby. And it's French linen. And this is just what I'm going to dry brush over them to give them a little dimension and, you know, added color to make them look a little more rustic or whatever, and weathered. Now I'm all painted and dry and distressed. And I'm just going to add these to these little mini pumpkins that I made in a previous video. And all you got to do is glue them on. And I do prefer Gorilla Hot Glue. It works better. It glues anything. And that is my favorite glue gun. And I'll link both of those in my description box. I just wanted to show y'all this. Many of you know that I have been sick for a while. That's why there have been no videos. But I'm feeling a lot better thanks to the prayers of people and my faith in God. But anyways, yesterday I had my grandson and we got bored, so we came in here and we made this little guy, and I used cardboard pom-poms and Dollar Tree leaves, and this is a very fun craft if you have a grandchild or child, and they're so stinking cute. All I done was went online and printed out, I just Googled a hedgehog pattern, template, and this is what I got. So I printed it and I cut it out and made a cardboard form. And then we just took and he used the low temp hot glue gun. He thought that was just the funnest thing in the world. But where I would tell him to put a dot, he would put the glue, and then I would put the leaf. And I put magnets on the back, just sticky magnets, so that I could hang this on my refrigerator for the fall season. I think it is so adorable, and I just had to show y'all. I also wanted to show you how awesome my friends are. This lady has been my friend for a long, long time. It's my pastor's wife now. And she got me these at Hobby Lobby. She knows I'm sick of the red truck, so she got me the blue truck. But y'all, the neatest thing What do I say? You are a blessing. I thought that was the neatest thing and just had to share because I have wonderful, wonderful friends. And then I have another wonderful friend that knows I like sloths, and she found this and got that for me. And I absolutely adore these things. I appreciate my friends so much, and I just wanted them to know because I know they always support me and watch me, and I want all of you others to know that I have great friends, and it pays to have great friends sometimes. You can't always trust everybody, but you have to have somebody that you can trust and confide in. It sure helps life. God bless you all.